Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Global Money Convert Tool. So as you can see, we have it here open up in Google Play. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site where you can convert your money into other currency. And you can also convert them into crypto. So as you can see right here, you can convert this one into this one and a lot more. So I would advise you not to use this if you're not into crypto. So if you're just converting your regular money, I would advise you to just use some other type of app like Wise, which converts your money really easily. And instead of using this one, I would advise you to be more cautious if you're actually trying to use this product, since there isn't a lot of information I found about this product online, and I mean this app online. Yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.